Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi Q7 rear wiper. Park the car, lift the hatch, and remove the wiper arm cover to access the mounting nut. Start by loosening the nut with a 10 mm socket, then remove the old blade and arm if needed. Fit the new arm or blade, tighten the nut, lower the cover, and test the wiper for proper sweep and clearance. With the hatch open, expose the wiper mounting nut and cap as described, then hold the arm to prevent sudden movement. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen the nut while steadying the arm with your other hand. Once loose, lift the arm straight off the spline shaft and set it aside. Clean the splines and check for wear before fitting the replacement blade or arm to ensure smooth operation. Place the replacement arm or blade on the spline post, aligning it to match the factory rest angle, and ensure the blade will clear the glass. Tighten the 10 mm nut securely while maintaining alignment, then snap the plastic cap back over the nut to protect it. Close the hatch, reconnect battery if disconnected, and test the rear wiper through several cycles to verify proper movement, pressure, and complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.